video will demonstrate the skills required to earn the Google Docs 2.0 badge. On completion of the tasks listed below, be sure to click here to complete the form to request your badge. So let's get started. You can start in Google Drive by going to New, Google Docs. That will open up a blank document. The first thing we want to do is we want to title the document. So here we're going to click where it says Untitled Document, and we're going to name this Betty White. Then what we're going to do is we're going to link 3 items that are related to Betty White. So we're going to link to a website, link to a YouTube video, and then we're going to link to an image. Okay, so I've added 3 lines of text here in my Google Doc, and now we want to link those. So I have found a website. Here we're going to copy the link, go back to our doc, and we're going to highlight the text that we want to link. Once we do that, we can either right-click and choose Insert Link, or from the toolbar, you can just click this link icon right here. So I'm going to right-click, Insert Link, and then I'm going to paste the link that I have copied and hit Apply. So that's the first line of text. Second line of text, we're going to link to a YouTube video. Got that right here. So again, we're going to copy the link, highlight the text in Google Docs, right-click, Insert Link, paste, and apply. Same thing with the image. Here's the image I've located. I'm going to right-click on the image. I want to copy the image address, go back to the Google Doc, highlight, right-click, and insert that link. All right. Next, we want to insert an image directly into the doc. So I will use the same image that I found for item number 2, and this time I'm going to right-click on the image and copy it, come back to the Google Doc, right-click, and paste. Once you've got the image in here, you can click, and then you can resize as needed. All right, next we're going to take a look at the layout and how we can change the layout and make so that we can move this image around within the text in the Google Doc. So we're going to click on the image here, and here are options right below this. So we can set it to be in line with text. We can set it so that the text wraps around the image. We can set it so that it breaks, so that there's a line of text, the image, and then another line of text. We can set it so that it appears behind the text or in front of the text. So if it is wrapped, then I can take this and move it, and it will go around the text like this. All right, if I set it to break, it's only going to go above or below the text. If I want it to be behind or in front. Okay, so I will go ahead and choose wrap, and I'll just put this over to the side like this. All right, in Google Docs, we can use the @ symbol to add items to your doc. So just by simply typing the @ menu, you can then add a person to your doc, and they will gain access to that. You can add drop-down menu. You can also add other items and files. So for this particular task, we want to add a person, a file, and a calendar event or meeting. So I'm going to start typing in someone's name here, and notice how your contacts will then appear. So we're going to add someone just like that. Then I'm going to hit the @ symbol again. This time we want to add a file. These files are pulling from your Google Docs. And then finally we want to add a calendar event. Just like that. Okay, so with that @ symbol, you've added a person, you've added a file from your Google Drive, and you've added a calendar event. All right, and finally, we are going to use Google Translate to translate this document into a language of your choice. So to get to the Google Translator, you're going to go up to your menu bar and choose Tools, Translate Document, and now you can choose the language. And then click Translate. And this gives you a copy of this document. So this is a brand new file, translated copy, and you can see now that it has translated everything into the language of your choice. All right, these are the tasks that are required in order to complete the Google Docs Level 2 badging assignment. Make sure that when you have completed all of these tasks, you return to the badging website here and click to request your badge.